Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage, and today I'd like to show you around a very nice 2023 SEAT Ateca SE technology finished in metallic black that's just come into our stock. Now this one is powered with the 1.5 150 PS engine, which is a petrol engine with a 6-speed manual gearbox, and this short video will hopefully give you an idea as to how nice the car is. Now the Ateca has become one of our most popular SUV vehicles. They seem to have grown in popularity massively over the last few years. One of its trump cards is the amount of space that the car has. Plenty of room for 5 people and a huge boot. But it doesn't actually feel that big when you're driving it. It still feels like a sort of medium-sized hatchback, which is really nice. It doesn't wallow in corners and things, which is one of the downsides that a lot of the other vehicles seem to have. Plenty of versatility, so little centre armrest there, which also has an access port into the boot. So if you're on a journey and you still need to gain access, then you're able to. You have these lovely machined finished wheels, which are the diamond cut version, and then there you go, take a look at that. Huge boot with a quick release seat folding mechanism, so give that a pull and down it goes. Same on the other side, just make sure there's no one sitting there at the time. Parking sensors are standard on this model, so they're at the front and the back, and they also give you the option of doing self parking, so it will park itself for you if you want it to. A rear air conditioning outlet is there as well, in behind the centre armrest, which is really nice. And when you come up to the front, I'm going to jump in because I can give you a better demonstration as to how the media system thing works. Now here we go, excuse me. So now we're in the car. You've got this lovely big media screen that sits flush, which a lot of people like, doesn't stick up. Loads of versatility here, so you can change the different displays. You can do a hand gesture swipe, so without actually touching the screen you can hand gesture across the front, and then all the little icon tabs that allow you to navigate the navigation system. You can also go in and set up streaming through Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Now on this age it's actually able to do that wirelessly as well, which is great. Postcode or point of interest satellite navigation is nice and easy to navigate through as well. And then dropping down you've got climate control, so the driver's dial adjusts both sides, but if you want to take control and have separate ones you can. Then you push the sync button and it goes back to what the driver was set with. USB-Cs, 2 of those, as well as a wireless phone charger, so that's a great thing if you have a new enough mobile phone. And the electronic handbrake, which most cars of this size tend to have nowadays. Now this particular vehicle has only covered 10,700 miles, so it's going to be 2 years old in June, so it still has the remainder of SEAT's 3-year guarantee, so you've got a little over 12 months left of that guarantee. Now metallic black I think is one of the best colours. It's a very bright day today, so I apologise if it's a bit glary on the camera, but hopefully this has given you an idea as to how lovely the car is. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like any more information, please get in touch. Bye-bye.